Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you 7 new functions in Excel 365. These functions have one thing in common. The formula results are displayed not only in one cell, but in several cells. This is called dynamic array or spilling. Let's start with the XLOOKUP function. With this formula you can find data in a table, however only one third sheet will be displayed. First we choose the lookup value. This is our article number in this case. Then the lookup array. This is the row article number. And then the return array. This is the information that we want to find. For example, the sales in US dollars. The other things here in the brackets are optional. That's why I close my formula and press enter. As you can see, the sales in US dollar for article number 9002 is 48,000 US dollars. If I choose article 9001, then we can see that we only get one result. So if you want to have several results for the same article number, the XLOOKUP is not the right function for you. In this case, you should use our next function, the filter function. With the filter function we can find data in a table. In this case all search sheets will be displayed. We start with filter. Array is the data that we are searching for. Include is the row article number, which is equal to the search field article number. Now we can close this formula and press enter. As you can see, our result is $48,000 in Houston. So if I change the article number to 9001, we get not only one result, but two results. With the function sort, you can sort data in a certain row. Sort array is our table. Sort index is the row that we want to sort. For example, the sales, this is the second row. You can also choose a sort order. I will close the function. And as you can see, we have sorted this table by sales. However, the sort index is a fixed number, so you can destroy this formula if you add a new row in this table. As you can see, the formula is not working anymore. If you want to avoid this problem, you should use the next formula, the SORTBY function. The SORTBY function can sort the data by one or more rows. SORTBY array is our table again. By array number 1 are, for example, the warehouse. Sort order ascending. And now you can choose the second row by array article number, for example. Sort order is 1 ascending. I close the formula and you can see we have at first sorted the data by the warehouse and after that by the article number. The function unique will return every individual value only once. For example, if we want to know how many warehouses there are, we use this unique function. Our array is the row with the warehouses. Now we can close the formula and we can see that there are only 3 warehouses in our table. With the RANDARRAY function we can create an array with random numbers. At first we choose the amount of rows and columns, the minimum value and a maximum value. Also we can choose between decimal numbers and integer. Every time we open the function and close it again with enter, the numbers will change. If you want to keep these numbers, just choose your array, right click, copy, then right click again, paste, values, and the numbers are fixed. Our last formula is sequence. With this formula we can generate ongoing numbers in an array. Choose here the amount of rows and columns, the starting number, for example 10, and the steps. The step will add up to the start number. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, then give me a thumbs down. As always, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.